Have you ever wondered how databases maintain speed and accuracy? In today's video, we will tackle denormalization and ACID properties. Our goal is to understand these concepts and their importance in databases. First, let's discuss denormalization. Normalization reduces data duplication but increases table complexity. This often leads to slower read performance due to multiple joins. Denormalization combines tables for quicker access. For example, merging student and marks tables enhances read speed. Denormalization is ideal for reporting and analytics systems. Next, let's explore why denormalization is essential. Normalized data requires more joins and computations. This can hinder read performance. Denormalization is preferred when reading data takes precedence. You see this in services like YouTube and Google Search. Now, let's talk about ACID properties. ACID stands for atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability. These properties ensure transaction reliability in databases. Atomicity means transactions are all or nothing. For instance, a bank transfer must succeed fully or not at all. Consistency ensures data remains valid post-transaction. Data integrity is crucial for logical correctness. Isolation allows transactions to execute independently. This means one user's actions don't interfere with another's. Durability guarantees that completed transactions are saved permanently. Next, let's define a transaction. A transaction is a single unit of work in a database. For example, transferring money between accounts is one transaction. Lastly, let's review transaction states. There are 5 key states: active, partially committed, committed, failed, and aborted. Each state indicates the transaction's progress and outcome. To recap, we learned about denormalization, its need, and ACID properties. Understanding these concepts will enhance your database skills. Now, apply what you've learned in your projects. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. In our next video, we'll explore indexing, views, and joins. Thanks for watching.